Hey guys, this is Ward. In this video, I'm going to show you how you use a Google Books to find a book, and you can add it to your library and you can read it online, or you can buy one online. So there's many ways you can get to the Google Book. So I'm going to show you is under your Gmail. So should be something say books. Okay, yes. This is booked. So from here, you can type the name of the book you're looking for, and if it's online, if it's free, you can add. If you see here my library, that's for all my books. So I can add it to my library, or I can buy it from online. So let me just find a random book. So today I'm going to find discovery or discovering computers. So I'm going to take 2018. If you can see here, there's a lot of books. Some of them, if you can see here, it says Google Books. So that means you can read it on Google. So let's just take the one on the very bottom. As you can see here, there's a lot of options, and it's highlight the computers. The word you type is going to be a highlight. So to clear that one, you type clear that option, and if you can see on the side here, so as you can see here, I can add this book to my library. As you can see here, I can add it to my library. You can see this option if I want to. And this is my library. This is where I have my stuff here on library. But let us go back and see if we can find that online. So we're going to see if we can buy it online. So do you see this one? It say get the books. I can buy it in Google Play Books, like 34, or I can go to this website, or I can go to Amazon. All these locations I'll be able to buy it. So if I can click on a book millions, so it's searching for, and I don't think they have it here, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to go Amazon. And as you can see here, you can buy it at 94 and 68, or you can run it for 6 months. I think semester will be like 36. So this is how you use a Google Books. And so another, you can look for different edition. You can see here, you can find a different edition on that same books. So if you can see here, this is essential and this is digital books. So it gives you a different option on Discover, Computer Discover. And then the similar books you can see here, and it gives you a different option also to find a different book with the same word Discover. So it's a good it's a good tools to use. So you can read a book here in Google Books before you get your a new book. And so if I can add to my library, it's going to show you. So I'm going to add it to my library to demonstrate how this works. And so I got another books before. This is all the book I added here. If you can see, some of them are like a sample where you can read like 2 chapters and then you know, and it show you here. Yeah. So what I'm reading to read, it give you option what you doing with. So you can see here my library, and then it give you also advanced searching, all this, and how you can use the Google. But there's a lot of things here you can do. And thank you.